Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Poco X3 GT versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. And Samsung Galaxy A52 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB of RAM, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a Dimensity 1100 processor which is based on 6nm architecture, and also we have 8GB of RAM as well. On the back we have a quad cameras on the A52, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a triple cameras on the back. We have a 64 megapixel main camera on both phones, and the interesting thing is that we have optical image stabilization on the A52, which is not really available on the Poco X3 GT. So I am really excited to see that how is the Poco X3 GT is stack up against the Samsung Galaxy A52 in apps opening speed as well as in the boot up test. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo is here more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52, and guys, and both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Samsung One UI version 3.1 with Samsung Knox, while on the Poco we have a MIUI version 12.5, and you can see new MIUI logo. And you can see on the Poco X3 GT it is more faster when it comes to booting up, and the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is also right behind there, about 1 or 2 second difference between these two devices. And guys, you can see that in both phones has a very different display. We have a Full HD IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate on the Poco X3 GT, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and also we get a center punch hole on both phones, which is more smaller on the A52 as compared to the Poco X3 GT. And also on the front we have a Corning Gorilla Glass version 3 on the A52, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. So that's really huge difference in terms of the protection of the display. Now let's see apps opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no application is running in the background, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Now let's see phone dialer, that is exactly the same on both phones. Let's see settings, and that is exactly the same on both phones. Now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 90Hz refresh rate on the A52, while on the Poco X3 GT we have 120Hz refresh rate. So now let's check out some more application. Now let's see Amazon shopping. Now let's see that who is faster there, and that is more faster on the Poco X3 GT as compared to the A52, which is obvious. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is more smoother on the Poco because we have 120Hz refresh rate as compared to 90Hz. So now let's check out some games application. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga, and you can see super faster on the X3 GT as compared to the Samsung A52. And also we have dual speakers on both phones, which is much better on the Poco X3 GT. Instagram exactly the same. Let's see Pinout, again more faster on the Poco X3 GT as compared to the A52. Let's see Snapchat, exactly the same. And guys, one thing it is also really unique on the A52 is that when you go to the camera application, and when you go there right there, and guys, and this is a mode which is called as fun, and guys, and this mode give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera application. So and the Snapchat video quality as well as the photo quality, it should be really good on this phone as compared to any other Android phone in this price range. Let's see Spotify, faster again on the Poco X3 GT. Subway Surfer, and you can see again more faster on the Poco X3 GT because of the 1100 processor from MediaTek. Let's see Temple Run 2, last game application we have in this speed test, and again more faster on the X3 GT, but the A52 it is also right behind there. And you can see yes, huge difference in terms of the game app loading time, so which means that and the game performance it is also more better on the Poco X3 GT. Now let's quickly launch the PUBG Mobile as well, because why not. Let's see the game app loading time speed in this heavy application, and you can see obviously the Poco X3 GT it is a really fast phone as compared to the A52, but X3 GT is done and the A52 it is also done, again about 1 or 2 second difference there. And also we get a smooth graphics with extreme frame rate on the Poco X3 GT, while on the A52 we have smooth graphics with ultra frame rate. Now let's opening up the Twitter. Faster on the Poco X3 GT, Zedge, and that is faster again on the Poco X3 GT as compared to the A52. So last time launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. More faster on the A52 as compared to the Poco X3 GT. And guys, again we have a 64 megapixel main camera on both phones with optical image stabilization, and also the A52 also has a IP68 water and dust resistance, so huge difference in terms of the features wise as well. So guys, now let's see internet browsing speed. I am seeing the for Samsung internet browser on the A52, while on the Poco X3 GT we have a Google Chrome. So now let's see wikipedia.org. Faster on the X3 GT, little bit more faster there. Now let's see the scrolling. Yes, in the start I see little bit lag on both phones, but again more smoother on the Poco X3 GT in terms of the smoothness wise. Let's see English. Again exactly the same on both phones if I'm not wrong. Again you guys are the judge of the speed test. Now let's see the scrolling again. Really smooth, no lag whatsoever. And next on the list is the apple.com, and faster on the exactly the same as you can see. So now let's see the scrolling. Again really smooth, but we have extra smoothness on the Poco X3 GT. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones. We have 8 GB of RAM on both phones, and also we have Samsung One UI, while on the Poco we have a MIUI which has a lot of bugs as well. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, same result. Amazon shopping, no refresh. In-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, again no refresh. Instagram, let's see Pinout. Let's see Snapchat. Let's see Spotify. Let's see Subway Surfer. Let's see Temple Run 2. RAM management, it is really good on both phones so far. Let's see PUBG Mobile, heavy game application, no refresh as well on both phones. Now let's opening up the Twitter, same result. Zedge. Last way back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, over I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that and the Poco X3 GT is faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A52 in game app loading time. I would say that in system based application and both phones is perform very similar in terms of the RAM management wise. As you can see that and both phones is perform really good in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Poco X3 GT versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.